What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I got a challenge for you. If you guys can hit that like button, subscribe button, and the notifications button in 5 seconds, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit it. And me and Mark set off a smoke bomb. Angel, I don't know where Angel's at. Angel just got a bath, and now it's time for me and Mark to go do a video with the RC car. So right now I'm gonna drive it. It's on right now. So yeah, guys. Alright, now let me do a cool thing for you guys. Watch this, guys. Ready? This is gonna be cool, guys. Was that cool, guys?
That was cool, guys. Hey,
Let's do that again.
That's right.
Let's go get it.
I know, you come outside with me. I'm gonna take you outside with us. Come out and hang out.
Alright, guys, it looks like it's doing pretty good. Now all we have to do is just test this thing out. Ready, guys? See how fast it goes? Alright, let's move it all the way over to here now. You guys ready? Let's test this thing out. Haven't drove it in a long time, so it's probably gonna be a little bit messy over here, but... Alright, ready, guys? It looks pretty fast. Okay, let's do that again, guys. Ready, guys? I think it's pretty fast. Alright, you parked it right there. Let's go see what's Mark doing. He's taking forever. Marky. Oh, he's changing the baby's diapers. Yeah. Makes noise. I have to go poop at these bad times. It's alright. Alright, let's go play with the RC car now. Come on, Mark, hurry! Where's the RC car? Okay. Whoa. That looks pretty cool, though. Alright, straight. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Alright, I need to place the camera down somewhere because this is not working out for me good. Ugh. Okay, guys, if you did like that, well, okay, guys, now it's time to end the video here. Bye, guys! No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, guys. Not really ending the video here. Only if Mark doesn't hurry up. Mark, show them your muscle.
No.
Because you're weak.
I know.
I'm weak too.
Show him the sticky
Ew.
diaper. Come on, Mason.
It's disgusting.
Your daddy.
Come here, Mason. Come here.
You go with Daddy, you go outside.
Come here, Mason. Go. You like it, Mason?
Hold on. Let him go. Here, good man.
Alright, I carried him all the way out here, guys. Let's take this. Let's take this. Let's go. Okay. Let's put this on. Wait, you're not even taking your shoes on? Wait, Mark, wait up for me. I need to put my Yeezys on because...
Get in, Angel. In.
Angel! I think I shut it right. Can you shut that, Mark? I have two things in my hand. You only have one.
Yeah, just a baby.
Alright, let's put this in the driveway and see how it works. Here, where's the smoke bomb we threw? I can smell it. It's close over here. Like threw it over here somewhere, maybe? Mark, where did we throw the smoke bomb?
Over there.
Where? I'm going to show them. Somewhere over here, but we can't find it. I can't find it. Mark, can you try to find it? Alright, let's put the RC car down. That thing's pretty fast. I'm gonna put the iPad down somewhere. Or I'm gonna put it down like right here. Alright, let's see if they can save it. Let's do this. Alright, this thing already had enough with the road. Let's try it on smooth ground, shall we? Okay, where do I put this? Let's see. Here, I could put it on my painting of the birdhouse. Guys, do you like my painting of the birdhouse, or do you like Michael's? Michael's looks pretty cool. Mine's rainbow.
He's done. Purple bird.
Setting it up. Yeah, no, that's not gonna work. I hate to say it, but Mason, you're gonna have to hold my camera from me, buddy.
Oh my god.
Is that Hunter saying
Yeah.
happy birthday to you? Oh my god. Wait, rewind it all over again.
That's super cute.
Rewind it all over again.
Hold on.
Rewind it all over again. heck's that? Alright, Mason, you're gonna have to hold my camera for me, buddy. Oh no, Mark, can you? Alright, I'll just set it up on this pillow, I guess. Dang it, I just don't even care right now at the point. I'm just gonna center it down right about here. Can you guys see? Comment down below if you guys can see.
You're not going nowhere.
Okay. You guys ready to drive this thing? Let's do this. Now my time! Actually, guys, forget about this. Let's just play with Mason. No, put it back on.
Mason, put that down.
Put it back on it.
Mason, no. No.
It's locked. He can't get out.
It's not. Can you lock it for me, Dad? Pull that thing.
What thing?
See that thing that's on there? Mason, get off of that. It's not food. Oh. Come here.
Like this? Like that, Mark? Hang on, let me pull it more. Hold on, guys. Mason, get inside. I want to push you. I'm going to put Mason inside. Get inside, Mason. Come here, Mason. Get inside. Get inside.
Let him see if he'll get in there. Don't force it now.
Get inside. Come on. Get inside. Get inside, Mason. Really? Now fine, then I'll get inside. I'll get inside. I don't care. I'm not a baby like you, Mason. I can't. Yeah, I'm just gonna play with some stroke. Wait, guys, you need to do this that I'm about to draw. Hold on. What does that say, guys? Sub to Marley Marie. Do it, guys. Subscribe. Ha, I can't get out. Ha 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 ha. I want Mason to go on that so I can push him more. Alright, it's time to push my little brother around.
be careful with him out here. If he falls in that concrete, he'll get really hurt. You heard me? Well, watch his hand, Marley.
I got it.
You didn't get it. Try to squash him.
Ready, Mason? Yay, Mason! Do you want this? Beep, 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 beep.
Good, sissy. Good, sissy. Huh?
I got him in. I'm going, Mason.
Ping, ping.
Yay, Mason! Sit down, Mason. Open it up. Get out. Open it up. Open it up. Get out. Get out. He wants to go back in. Alright, I guess he's pushing and invisible. No, Mason, don't run over it! Dang it. I tried. I'll hold it, Mason. Get in. He's getting in, guys. Oh no, he just wants the shovel. Okay. Worth a try, though. I want to see what Mason actually does with chalk. Here, Mason. Oh no! Mark, get that from him! Mark, it's a candle.
Come here.
Probably doesn't even want this right now. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. I'm gonna do something else. Instead of subscribe to Marley,
Mason, no! Hey! No, you're gonna die if you do that. I gotta go inside and get him ready.
what does that say, guys? Sub to Michael. Oh shoot. EED.
Yeah, I'm going inside.
Subscribe to Michael Reed. I'm coming in too. Let's go. Mason made a mess. Guess I'm gonna do some shout outs. Now that I'm all done. First shout out goes
Let's
to.
hang out with Mason down here for a little bit. I have to go to the bathroom and get ready, alright?
Where are you guys going?
Go. Me and Mom are going to a concert tonight.
I wanna go.
Can't. It's like a rock concert. It's band music. Hold on, dude. Sissy, go play with you.
Come here. No. Come here,
Get ready.
Gigi. Whoop. Come here.
Okay, guys, what I have to say, first shout out goes to, I'm sad. I don't have any shout outs. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys loved the video. I hope you guys did, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.